So, I'm here today to talk a little bit about collaborative divorce and the advantages and disadvantages of the process itself. So, one of the prime advantages is that you and your spouse can work together and stay out of court. What that means is you have privacy and control over the decisions being made for your family. However, one of the disadvantages you could have is you could get less in the process. For example, during traditional litigation, you each have attorneys that are fighting to get each of you the maximum amount of whether it's money, time with the kids, the house, etc. They're fighting to get you the most of something. In collaborative, the two of you work together to make compromises that are best for the family. So indirectly, you could get less, but what I often find for my clients is they don't perceive it as being less because it actually helps them achieve a goal that they want. So part of the compromise, they give up something their spouse wants, but they get something that they want more in return. One of the other potential disadvantages, if you're unable to be completely successful in the process, you would have to start over with new attorneys. The attorneys that you hire during the collaborative process cannot represent you in a litigation matter going forward. However, the risk for most of my clients of that happening is actually very low. Most clients are able to resolve their issues through the collaborative process successfully for less money and less time than a traditional litigated divorce. And for those few who unfortunately are not able to finish in the collaborative process, they don't start completely over. You've already reached some agreements and understandings during the process that you are able to take and move forward from there. So for many people, you're talking maybe one or two issues that you were unable to resolve in the collaborative process. So the net result is you are actually going to trial with less issues, which means less time, less money. So in the end, it still will save you money to pursue the collaborative process, even if you're not 100% successful. But again, for most of our clients, the risk is very low, and the benefits of having control over the process, the privacy of having decisions made outside of court, and ultimately, you choose what the best future for your family looks like, far outweighs those potential disadvantages.